To enable the brake pad replacement mode, turn on the ignition. Press the brake pedal and lift the handbrake button up 3 times. Then press the handbrake button down 3 times. These lights will come on. Then press and hold the handbrake button. You will hear the sound of the handbrake electric motors. Wait until this sound stops. All electric motors have stopped. Turn off the ignition and you can start replacing the pads. Then replace the brake pads. After that, now you need to exit the brake pad replacement mode. To do this, turn on the ignition. Lift the parking brake button up and hold it. Wait until the parking brake motors are disengaged. Now exiting the mode is complete. The lights on the panel do not blink. Check the parking brake